Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Failey channel. I'm Mehdi and today I'm taking you to visit AGHIGH Shopping Center, the most lovely shopping center of women's in Tehran, that is in Imamzadeh Hassan Bazaar. That I made a video of this bazaar and you can watch it by clicking on the link in the description in suggested videos. There are many shopping malls in north of Tehran, but there are some good ones in south side too, like AGHIGH Shopping Mall, that is one of 32 shopping centers of South Tehran. There are many different brands and fashions of women's formal and party clothes in this shopping mall, and there are some advantages about this mall. Which first, it has a parking lot to park your car without any stress, and the other advantage is the prices are much lower than other shopping centers of Tehran. But I have to say, as you can see, the most stores in first floor are related to men clothes. The prices are like about $8 for a t-shirt and $80 for a suit, $12 for a jean, and $70 for a medium quality of women formal dresses. Finally, I have to say that this shopping center is a good choice if you want to get a low budget formal clothes with medium quality. So stay with me to visit this mall and its formal dresses models in second floor. And I will be thankful if you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to be notified for more videos of Tehran and Iran sites. Come with me if you had any suggestions and don't forget to like the video.